Hey friends, today we will study how to change your language settings on your Windows 10 PC. So let's start. We get to our settings. So now we are going to change our settings of language. So here we get to go to our language settings, and here we have set English as our default language. So from this menu we can also add another language. Suppose I want to add Spanish or Arabic. So these are the languages we get to search this and can install it and set our default language. Now that has been said, now let's get back to see what else we can do with our language settings. So we can also change the region. So here we have selected the United States, we can change it to, so here we can see that we have this United States, Urdu, Pakistan, all these languages. Also we can change it to the other regions, whatever regions you want to be. So as we can see here also it changes. So from this method we can change the regions. So now we can also apply the changes to all our users. So we get to automatic setup language changes, and from this copy setting behind we get to change. So here we can see we have this United States selected, and if we want to copy the same settings for all the users, we select it from this menu. Welcome screen, new user accounts. Now this has been set. Now we can also check the syncs settings for the PC. So here we can see this language preference has been also set to turn on. So all these settings will be synced across your multi-platform. So I hope you have learned that how to change your language settings in Windows 10. Thank you for watching.